So they just finished some villa renovations here at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida in the Amelia phase. I'm going to show you the before and after of a 2-bedroom villa right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, but before I start showing you the before and after of these newly renovated villas here at Sheraton Vistana Villages Amelia phase in Orlando, I just want to let you know, on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that sounds like what you want to see, hit subscribe down below. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video. So we were actually in a 2-bedroom villa a few years ago here in the Amelia phase of Sheraton Vistana Villages. I happened to get some video footage of that older villa, and now I'm getting ready to take a look at a newly renovated 2-bedroom villa as well. So let's take a look. All right, the first thing we're going to take a look at here is the in-room laundry. Obviously, there isn't too much they can do to make changes here, but they did swap out the older stacking washer and dryer for a brand new unit. So definitely an upgrade there. Much preferred new washer and dryer in these 2-bedroom villas. Moving into the kitchen here, you're not going to notice too many changes other than the fact that they have replaced all of those appliances with brand new stainless steel appliances. New refrigerator, new microwave, new oven and range. Definitely a great upgrade to the kitchen here in this villa. I actually did notice that they did put in brand new non-stick frying pans. If you've ever stayed here before, you know that that non-stick frying pan is usually in pretty bad shape. Moving into the dining room, this is where you'll notice another big change. Definitely a swap out here of the dining room table and chairs that seat up to 6 people for a much more newer, modern looking dining room table and chairs. I'm not too sure how comfortable these would be. I didn't get a chance to sit in one of them, but definitely some big changes here in the dining room. Now moving into the living room here, this is where you're going to see a brand new fresh look in this villa. Much brighter, much nicer, all new furniture, new carpeting. Definitely a great look here in the living room. You're also going to notice a brand new television and television stand, and they even changed out that rather old Bose sound system for a new one. So definitely some great changes here in the living room at Amelia. Heading into the guest bedroom, again, a brand new fresh look here as well. I don't notice a single thing that they didn't change. New drapery, new paint, new carpeting, new just about everything. Even that nightstand in between there is brand new. A new chest of drawers as well as a television definitely does finish off this guest bedroom rather nicely. Now I do want to give a thanks and shout out to the staff at Sheraton Vistana Villages for giving me the opportunity to check out a brand new villa here in Amelia. I was actually staying in Key West and they're still very nice, but not renovated. So definitely thank you very much to the staff there at Sheraton Vistana Villages. Now in the guest bathroom, this is where we're going to notice not too many changes. The same is actually going to be true for the master bathroom. This really doesn't look all that much different. The only thing I do notice different here is they've installed mirrors with lighting around the frame. So it definitely does provide for a much brighter, much more light in the guest bathroom. Now moving into the master bedroom. Again, brand new look, brand new headboard, new nightstands, new just about everything. Really liking everything here in this master bedroom of Amelia. They definitely did do a great job here of redecorating these villas. As we move here into the master bathroom, as I mentioned over there in the guest bathroom as well, not really any significant changes that I can see here. Really, when I actually kind of looked more closely at the shower, it doesn't look like it was changed out as well. The shower doors, the frame around the shower doors, none of that really looks any different. But they did, like I said, installed mirrors that have lighting around the frames of the mirrors. So does make it much more brighter in here as well. I really couldn't get any great footage of that lighting around the frame because whenever I would try and get some footage on that, it would make it very dark because of the exposure. Moving out to the patio, no changes here either that I can tell. Really, the same patio furniture. That patio furniture is pretty heavy duty, so I can understand why they probably didn't want to or even need to switch that out. So how about that? A comparison look at the 2-bedroom villa here at Sheraton Vistana Villages before and then after this beautiful renovation here. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos about timeshare, check out that description box. And for another video about Sheraton Vistana Villages here in Orlando, check out this one right up here. And YouTube, I think you're going to like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And remember, until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.